and common nouns. Much as we understand that nouns are words that give names to persons, animals, things, places, and ideas, it is also important that we understand the types. This way, we use them appropriately and write them more correctly. In this lesson, we shall examine common and proper nouns. At the end, you should be able to distinguish between these two forms of nouns and write their examples correctly. Let's get started. Proper nouns. What are proper nouns? A proper noun is a particular name of a person, animal, or thing. It is a name that is specific or unique to a figure or entity. For instance, while those close to you may be friends or family, each of them has a name that you identify them by. That name is an example of a proper noun. We shall see examples of proper nouns as well as how to identify them in a written work on the next slide. Proper nouns, names of persons from parts of Africa: Kofi, Babatunde, Bala, Neka, Chukudi, Ahmed, Mohammed, and several others. From parts of Asia, we have Li, Hang, Malik, Sagraj, Suleiman, Ishan, and several others. From parts of Europe and America, we have Maria, Henry, Sophia, Philip, Jonathan, Clark, and many more. Did you notice anything about the letters in green? They are all written in capital letters. Yes, proper nouns must always be capitalized. On this slide, we have proper nouns, names of places, names of countries: Nigeria, United States of America, India, Pakistan, England, Nepal, Kenya, Somalia, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, and several others. Names of cities: Paris, Abuja, Nairobi, Accra, Cairo, Mumbai, Dallas. Names of some tourist sites around the world: the National Arts Theatre, Lagos, Nigeria; Nairobi National Park, and several others. Other examples of proper nouns: names of animals: your pet at home, boxer, squirrel, bluebell, Napoleon, snowball, and so on. These names are from George Orwell's novel, Animal Farm. Then we have days of the week and months of the year: Monday, Thursday, Sunday, May, August, December, and so on. So that name you call your pet is a proper noun and should be capitalized when you're writing it. How then can you recognize proper nouns in a passage? It's simple. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Next, we shall see what common nouns are and how they are different from proper nouns. What is a common noun? A common noun is a general name, not specific name, for a person, animal, place, or thing. Except it begins a sentence, it is never capitalized. Man, woman, school, country, dog, river, mountain. We can conclude that proper nouns are specific examples of common nouns. See below. Man, Daniel, Suleiman. Woman, Miriam, Anna. School, Hill-Range, Roseville, Swiss Kids, Royal Top Kids, Star Kids. Country, Egypt, India, United States of America. Festival, Christmas, Ramadan. Building, the White House, Aso Rock. River, Nile, Mississippi, and so on. Activity 1. Pick out the proper noun in each sentence. The teacher married Alice, the nurse. Our dog, Floppy, likes cookies. Easter is celebrated by many people. I went to church last Tuesday. Have you read the book, Macbeth? Let's look at the answers. Alice, Floppy, Easter, Tuesday, Macbeth. Activity 2. Pick out the common noun in each sentence. Have you been to that magnificent hotel? This book is written by William Shakespeare. Who is your best football player? Adam speaks many languages. Tigers also hunt at night. And the common nouns are hotel, book, player, languages, tigers. Thanks for watching. Kindly drop a comment on this video. If you've not subscribed, do so for more interesting lessons on English.